I often find myself gazing at the night sky, pondering the vastness of our universe. You know, there's something truly magical about those twinkling points of light that have captivated humanity for millennia. But here's the kicker. What we see with our naked eyes is just the tiniest fraction of what's really out there. It's like trying to understand the ocean by looking at a single drop of water. That's where our cosmic voyagers come in, the Hubble and James Webb telescopes. These incredible machines are like the binoculars of the gods, allowing us to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched back in 1990, has been our faithful companion for over 3 decades, revealing breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and cosmic phenomena that have reshaped our understanding of the universe. Now, let's consider these incredible machines that make cosmic exploration possible. Hubble, our reliable old friend, has captured over 1 million observations, peering into distant galaxies and witnessing the birth and death of stars. It's given us those breathtaking images that adorn science books and spark wonder in millions. But science never stands still. Enter James Webb, with its massive gold-plated mirror, nearly 3 times larger than Hubble's. Here's where it gets really exciting. James Webb sees in infrared. This means it can see objects so distant and ancient that their light has been traveling towards us since nearly the beginning of time itself. It's like having a time machine that can peer back to when the first stars and galaxies were forming. The technical capabilities of these telescopes are staggering. Hubble, orbiting about 340 miles above Earth, has the resolving power to see a pair of fireflies in Tokyo from Washington, D.C. and James Webb. It's so sensitive it could theoretically detect the heat signature of a bumblebee on the moon. These aren't just telescopes, they're the pinnacle of human engineering and scientific ambition. The cosmos beckons, and with Hubble and James Webb as our guides, we're peering deeper into the cosmic abyss than ever before. As we push the boundaries of our observations, we're confronted with a mind-bending reality. The further we look, the further back in time we see. Light from the most distant galaxies has been traveling towards us for billions of years. When that light began its journey, our planet hadn't even formed yet. It's like receiving a postcard from the dawn of time itself. And here's where it gets really wild. As far as we can see, there's no end in sight, no edge, no boundary, just more and more galaxies stretching out in all directions. The Hubble ultra-deep field image revealed thousands of galaxies in a patch of sky that appeared completely dark and empty to the naked eye. And James Webb? It's taking us even further. Its first deep field image showed us galaxies as they appeared over 13 billion years ago, when the universe was in its infancy. We're talking about light that's been traveling for 13 billion years, more than 90% of the entire age of the universe, and still we see no end. Now let's wrap our minds around something truly mind-bending, the concept of infinity in both space and time. As our telescopes peer deeper into the cosmos, they're revealing a universe that seems to extend forever in all directions. It's like being in a hall of mirrors where every reflection leads to another ad infinitum. But here's the kicker. Not only does space appear to be infinite, but time might be too. Just as we see no spatial boundary to the universe, we also see no temporal one. The Big Bang, often thought of as the beginning of the universe, might simply be the furthest back we can see, like a cosmic horizon. Beyond that horizon could lie an eternity of time, stretching backwards just as it stretches forwards into the future. It's a concept that challenges our very notion of beginning and end. In an infinite universe, every point can be considered the center. Similarly, in infinite time, every moment can be seen as the middle. The images from Hubble and James Webb aren't just pretty pictures, they're windows into this infinite reality. As we come to the end of our cosmic journey, I can't help but feel a sense of awe at the vastness and beauty of our universe. The Hubble and James Webb telescopes have opened our eyes to a reality that's grander and more mysterious than we ever imagined. They've shown us a cosmos that's infinite in its expanse and eternal in its duration, a place where space and time dance together in an endless waltz. These telescopes are more than just scientific instruments. They're the embodiment of human curiosity, ingenuity, and our relentless drive to understand our place in the cosmos. As we continue to explore and unravel the mysteries of the universe, we're not just expanding our knowledge, we're expanding our perspective on what it means to be human in this vast, infinite cosmos. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just gazing at distant stars and galaxies, you're looking at your cosmic home, infinite and eternal, full of wonders yet to be discovered. And in that vastness, in that eternity, you are a unique and precious part of the cosmic story. If you are a believer in God, let us conclude with this beautiful quote from the founder of the Baha'i faith, Bahá'u'lláh, who said, "The universes of God are countless in their number and infinite in their range. None can reckon or comprehend them except God, the all-knowing, the all-wise." Subscribe for more scientific inquiry.